The next design we have on the fruit page is the peach. Take a medium brush, load it up with orange. Draw a large circle, fill it in. Just beside it, draw another circle, fill that in. Then you can take a medium brush and load up on brown. And right down the center, do a curved line, and then use it to outline the rest. If you have a dark brown, use it to make the stem. If you don't have a dark brown, you can mix in a little black to darken it up a bit. Right out the top, draw that line. Then take your medium brush and load it with green. And just to one side of the stem, you're going to do curved line, and there's this little stem. And there you go, a little peach.